Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to know if your iPhone is tapped. So guys, if you want to know whether your iPhone is tapped or not, here I will show you how can you know this. So guys, first check for unusual battery drain. If your battery is draining faster than usual, it could be a sign of malicious activity. So guys, check your battery usage in settings, and you must know that whether your battery draining is very fast or it is usual. So guys, next look out for strange noises during calls, clicks, beeps or echoes that could indicate tapping. So guys, but these signs can also be caused by network issues. Another sign is unexpected app behavior. If apps are crashing or behaving strangely, it might be a sign of malware. So guys, next you have to simply check your iPhone for unknown apps or profiles. Go to settings and general and then profiles and device management. If you see any suspicious, then remove it. So guys, next is that you have to simply keep an eye on your data usage. Unusual spikes could indicate malicious activity. Check your data usage in settings. So guys, to protect your iPhone, use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your iOS up to date. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you are still concerned, consider resetting your iPhone or seeking help from Apple support. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.